Alright guys, I promised you a video from Tom's River, New Jersey, and here we are. We are done the install, and I know how much you guys were looking forward to when we first got here, but we needed to get this job done. It's really windy out here. They were calling for rain tonight, so we double timed it today. But it's a beautiful day though. You can hear the wind. But here we are. It's a 8x8 Tiki Bar, and we have, how many stools? Like 7. We did 7 bar stools. You guys saw them in the shop. Roof's all done. There's Scott. Roof's all done. You see the rope lighting? Let's go back and see who built this first. I forget. Who is it? Oh yeah, that guy, Tiki Kev. Alright, we got a ceiling fan in this one. The wind's actually blowing it backwards. But it does work and go the other way. Here's some more bar stools. Give you guys another shot of the water. It would be incredibly awesome out here today if there was no wind. Alright, there's the shelves you guys saw that were built in the shop that were just sitting there. Right there, cabinets. You guys saw the rope lighting? And this is a 8x8 roof. Heavy, heavy, heavy. You guys can see how thick the timbers are that we use on this one. But thanks to Mike, he helped us lift it up there, and it was a struggle, but we got it. I'll give you guys a shot from this way. Alright, and there she is. It's got an 8x8 roof as well. And I think we're all cleaned up. We're almost ready to head out. I don't even know what time it is. It took us almost 2 hours to get here today. But you gotta love working on the water. No matter how long it takes. It's nice out here. I hear Scott coughing. He's been sick. I think the whole crew's been sick at one point or the other in the last 3 weeks. Everybody's been dropping like flies and then rebounding. And there's D closing up the truck. Alright, well, that's it for here from Tom's River. And I'll see you guys back at the shop. So from Tom's River and the Tiki Kev crew, Tiki Kev out.